In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tucson. If you need to take care of a traffic citation quickly and want to do it from home, this process is fairly straightforward. The main thing to keep in mind is that online payment is typically available when you are paying all charges in full and doing so on or before your court date. If your court date has already passed, the online option may not be available, so it's important to check that before you continue. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official City of Tucson website at tucsonaz.gov. Once the page loads, look for the section related to Tucson City Court fine payments. You want to make sure you are using the official city website so you're following the correct payment process. From there, find and select the option labeled Payments Online. This will take you to the page with information about how online payments work for Tucson City Court. Take a moment to read the instructions on the page, especially any notes about deadlines or restrictions. This can help you avoid payment issues or delays. On that page, you'll see a notice explaining that if you are paying all of your charges in full on or before your court date, you should use the Tucson Court Web Pay option. It also explains that online payments may not be accepted after the court date shown on your citation. This is an important detail, so be sure your case qualifies before moving forward. Next, select Tucson Court Online Web Payment. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your case number or docket number in the indicated box. Be careful when typing this information, since even a small mistake can bring up the wrong record or prevent the system from finding your case. It's a good idea to have your ticket or court paperwork next to you so you can enter the number exactly as shown. You may then be directed to the payment platform at ascourtpay.com where online payments are accepted. Keep in mind that additional fees may apply when paying online, so review the total carefully before submitting your payment. Once you've entered your case details and confirmed the amount, then follow the prompts on the screen to complete the transaction. After your payment goes through, make sure to save or print your confirmation for your records. That confirmation can be useful if you need proof of payment later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tucson.